Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming Dropbox is installed and signed in on your Mac. Open the Dropbox application from Applications or Launchpad. Once open, make sure you're logged into the account you want to appear in the menu bar. If Dropbox prompts for system permissions, accept them now so the app can run correctly. This ensures the menu bar icon is allowed to display and function. After signing in and permitting access, you're ready to locate Dropbox's preferences to enable the menu item. Now open Dropbox Preferences by clicking the Dropbox icon or right-clicking the dock icon and choosing Preferences. Once inside, go to the General tab. Look for an option named Show Dropbox in Menu Bar or Keep Dropbox in Menu Bar and check that box. If you don't see it, click Account or Advanced where the same toggle can live. After enabling the setting, quit and relaunch Dropbox, or use Force Quit to restart it, so macOS will render the icon in the menu bar consistently. Finish by confirming the Dropbox icon is visible in the top right menu bar. Click it to verify status and quick settings. If it's hidden, open System Settings, then Control Center or Menu Bar Settings and enable Dropbox so it stays visible. If the icon still refuses to appear, quit Dropbox, reinstall the latest app, or sign out and back in to reset its state. One quick troubleshooting tip: toggling the menu bar visibility in Control Center often restores stubborn icons.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.